There's concern this evening of an increase in the number of suspected cases of leptospirosis in the parish of Portland. Data to the end of May this year indicate there has been an increase in the number of clinically diagnosed cases of the disease in the parish. Medical Health Officer for the parish, Dr. Sharon Lewis, says they are being hampered in their quest to confirm the exact number of cases.
We were having a challenge with getting samples tested at the National Public Health Laboratory because of some challenges there, but the ministry has been working on it, and so we are hoping that soon we will have that matter sorted.
Dr. Lewis would not confirm reports that several prisoners at the Port Antonio lockup had contracted the disease.
What we can say, we are aware that there are concerns. We are doing the necessary investigations and the necessary interventions. I think that is as much as I can say at this point.
The United States Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says without treatment, leptospirosis can lead to kidney damage, meningitis, liver failure, respiratory distress, and even death.